How to claim referral bonus on Nanobanana.AI. Are you guys facing issues to claim referral bonus in Nanobanana.ai? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To claim your referral bonus in Nanobanana, first log in into your account, whether through application or website. On the dashboard, navigate to the referral program or invite friends sections. Here you'll find your unique referral link that you can share with your friends. When your friends sign up using link and complete the required actions such as depositing or buying their first tokens, your referral bonus will automatically credited to your account. To check your bonus, go to your wallet or reward section. Make sure your friend use exact referral link and meet all the conditions, otherwise the bonus may not be credited. If you face any issues, check the help or support section of nanobanana.ai for guidance. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna claim referral bonus in nanobanana.ai. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.